Hi, it's Awning Alice here from James Robert Shaw. Today we're going to be walking through how to adjust the pitch for the Puma Folding-Arm Awning. For this walkthrough, you will need a spirit level, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 17mm ratchet and a 5mm Allen key. Firstly, we will need to remove the end cap that covers the lateral end. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, undo the screw on the underneath of the end cap. Once removed, this is where you'll find the bolts and the grub screw to adjust your pitch. First, loosen the bolts with the 17mm ratchet. Now use your 5mm Allen key to turn the grub screw. Turning the Allen key clockwise will raise the pitch of the awning. Turning it anti-clockwise will lower the pitch. Ensure that you make the same appropriate adjustments to the other side. Using a spirit level, check your pitch is level and at your desired angle. Once you've achieved this angle, tighten your bolts back up and refit the end cap. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions or inquiries, please visit our website at www.jamesrobertshaw.co.uk or alternatively, give our sales team a call on 01204 574 764. I'm Awning Alice, over and out.